Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is related to the free marathon that we are going to start on Botany Insider YouTube channel. Yes, we are going to start a free marathon 7-day class on Botany Insider. All you have to do is you have to come to our channel every single day. You'll get a link from our end and you'll be able to enroll in the course for free. So it's a 7-day free class marathon for you all to get to understand how should you target, how should you actually prepare for the upcoming examination. And the classes would be completely free of cost. It would be on our YouTube channel of Botany Insider. So if you wish to have, all you have to do is subscribe to Botany Insider, then join in the free WhatsApp group that we have created for all the students. Join in there and you'll be able to get the link. You'll be able to get the free class link in that course itself. Join in there. It would be helpful for you. It would help you that how should you actually proceed, how should you actually target the upcoming examination. Whether you are a repeater, whether you are starting off with a preparation or you have completely no knowledge about it, this course is for you. So it's a free marathon for you all. All you have to do is you have to subscribe to Botany Insider, which is again completely free of cost. In addition to that, you have to join in the WhatsApp group that we have created for this marathon. Join in there. Every day you'll see a live class on Botany Insider, helping you prepare, helping you perform better in the examination. And also we are going to start a crash course very soon on 11th of December. Enroll in these free classes, get to know how do we actually study, and then you can enroll in our course as well. It would give you a broader picture, it would give you a better enhancement in your preparation. So download the app, get yourself registered for the course as well, have this free marathon completely free of cost for you all. Join in our WhatsApp groups that is completely again free. So take the advantage, prepare well, perform well and qualify with flying numbers. This is what Botany Insider wants from you all. So do not miss out the free classes that Botany Insider have to offer to you. So take the best advantage of these free classes. We'll be solving out questions, we'll be doing topics as well, so that you can get a better picture about how should you actually proceed, and then you can decide to join in our full-fledged course, which is going to start on 11th of December. So thank you for watching this video. Download our application. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and fasten your seat belts for these free marathon classes. For sure it would be helpful for you. So thank you for watching this video. Good luck and see you in the live classes. Bye everyone. Keep learning.